Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how to send emails using the Sendgrid. So first is you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to type out using the search bar at the top, Sendgrid, and then you'd be able to see the first website. So you just have to click on it and you'd be directed to this page. So what we're going to do here first is to check the pricing of the Sendgrid. Okay, so when you scroll down, we have here an overview of this website. Okay, so before we start for free, let's just go to the pricing section first. So for the Sendgrid pricing and plans, they have a free plan. Okay, so you have to take note that it has limited features, but if you're just starting your business and you really wanted to use the Sendgrid, so the free plan would be a better choice for you. Okay, and if you have a bigger business, so you can proceed with the following plans. Okay, so the next one is the essentials. So you have to pay for about $19.95 per month, and it has these features. Next one is the Pro plan, and then you have to pay for about $89.95 per month. And as you can see, all of the features are included. Okay, and then if you would like to subscribe for the Premier plan, this one has a custom pricing, so you just have to talk to an expert. Okay, so for this video, we are going to start with the free plan. Okay, so you just have to click on Start for Free option. Okay, so this one over here. So when you clicked on it, you'd be directed to this page. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you just have to sign up. But of course, you can also continue with your Google. So I'm just going to continue with my Google. Okay, and then choose your Google account and then just click on continue. So right here, they have a two-step verification as well, but they have to verify your phone number first. Okay, so you just have to paste here the code and then click on verify. Then just wait for a couple of seconds and then just click on continue after that. Okay, so you also need to copy this recovery code and save it to your notes. So right here, you just have to tell them about yourself. So since we already have our first name, last name, and email, so we just have to type out right here our company name, and then of course our phone number again. Okay, so we just have to select our country code first, and then just type out right here phone number, and then just click on get started, and you'd be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once you're here, you'd be able to see this option. So right here, how to start sending mail. So you have here a guide for single send. Okay, so you just have to explore these things, and then if you think you're ready, let us now proceed to the this email API section. Okay, so of course, if you like to finish setting up your account, then you can do that as well. But for now, I'm just going to skip that part and then go to this section, which is the dynamic templates. Okay, so this one is under the email API. So here is you just have to create a dynamic template. So just type out the name, then just click on continue. So after that, you just have to click on your template. And then right here, you just have to click on add version. Okay, so when you click on this one, you'd be directed to this page. So you can go ahead and start with a blank template or go with the Sendgrid email designs. Okay, so there are couples of Sendgrid email designs that you can actually use, but if you like to start with a blank template, so just have to build your own. So for example, I would like to use this one maybe. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on the design editor. So let me just add version again, then go back here. So I'm going to use the other template. Okay, and then click on the design editor or code editor, and then just click on select. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be redirected to this page. Now, if you would like to customize this template, Okay, so of course you just have to change the tags. If you would like to change the images, so you just have to double click each of the sections. Okay, so after that, if you'd like to test your email, so you just have to type out right here the email address or the recipient email. So I'm just going to use my email, and then after that is the your email. Okay, so right here, just have to send the email to your recipient. Okay, so I mean the first email is your email, and then the second one is the recipients. Okay, and then you can also create the tests over here. Okay, so select testing options. So should remember that for the free plan, your available credits is 3 only. Okay, so right here you just have to select the desktop clients or the mobile clients. So you can skip this part if you don't want to, but this is very important because you're going to know here if your email is going to the spam section of the email. Okay, so let us close this one. And then after testing out your email, let's go back here and go back to the automation sections. Okay, so let's go to the marketing and then click on the automations. So when you click on the automations, you just have to click on create your first automation. Okay, so this one, just click on it. And then right here, you can select welcome or you can custom. You can build your own automation from scratch. Okay, so of course, we are going to select this one. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then right here, you can now start editing your automation. So first is the automation name. Next one is the entry criteria. Okay. Next is when will your contacts leave the automation? So you have the freedom to choose your contacts have received the emails in the automation. Next one is what unsubscribes group and categories would you like to assign to these messages? Okay, so you just have to select it. And then next one is what email are included in your automation. Okay, so right here, you just have to customize the section. So send the first email instantly. So if you would like to customize this one, you just have to click on the pencil icon. And if you would like to add a new email, wait after 3 days. So you just have to click on the add email section. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.